Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hubspot's social media scheduler to create, schedule, and manage your social media posts from one central location. Let's get started. After logging into HubSpot, click Marketing from the left-hand menu and then select Social. This opens the social dashboard, where you can view published posts, scheduled posts, drafts, and other social media activities. To create a new social media post, click the Create Post button located in the top right corner. On the Create New Social Posts page, begin by selecting the social media accounts you want to publish to. Next, under the Draft Content section, enter your post caption. You can add text, hashtags, emojis, and links to create engaging content for your audience. If you want to include images or videos, scroll down to the Upload Media section and click Select Media, or simply drag and drop your files. As you create your post, HubSpot displays a live preview on the right side of the screen so you can see how your content will appear when published. Once your post is ready, expand the Schedule Post section and choose the date and time you want your content to go live. After reviewing your settings, click Review and Schedule in the top right corner. HubSpot will automatically publish your post at the scheduled time. You can return to the social dashboard at any time to view, edit, or reschedule your upcoming posts and manage your social media content more efficiently. And that's how to use HubSpot's social media scheduler. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more HubSpot tutorials. See you in the next video.